try to find our guide now. I hope he shows us some cool food.
Yeah.
I mean, I think we already tried everything.
Yeah.
But maybe he has something new for us.
Yeah, maybe he will surprise us.
Yes, but I don't think so. We'll see. Teatro Massimo. It's a pretty beautiful building.
Yeah.
And here is not very dirty, so I like it. And our guide is already here. He's waiting for some other guys. So let's see how big our group will be.
Stanno preparando le padelle, no?
You get the food now. But I will try it. It's just
Yeah, it's the display part. The light.
So what do you think?
Wolfgang is.
I like it, but he hates it.
You're not?
I mean, I don't eat in a party to buy the rolls.
Okay.
But
you, yes.
Yeah, I like it, yeah.
Don't you have in Austria?
We have some stuff, but I don't need it. My parents eat it, but I don't.
No, your dad doesn't
My
need
dad
it.
also not.
It's the Sicilian toast. Take the glass, try to repeat my words and imitate my movement, but I'm warning, just this end. Because I will move this end because I'm Sicilian, and sometimes people they don't consider this end, okay? It's not part of the toast. Okay. Aisa, isa, isa.
Aisa.
Okay, mean rise the glass. Okay, so you rise the glass. Okay. Then, cala, cala, cala.
Kala.
They mean lower the glass. Then, acosta.
Cosa.
And you get the glass close to your lip, but you cannot drink. This is a test for Austrian, British. You hold. Yeah, then you toast. You involve everybody in the toast saying, a salute vostra.
A saluti
This means
vostra.
you are wishing everybody good health. Okay? Now, drink. No, not drink. And let's repeat once time again the toast just to get in the cup. Aisa.
Aisa.
Cala.
Kala.
Acosta.
Cosa.
A salute vostra.
We're finished with our first stop. Maybe we'll change to right. Hi guys, I'm tired of walking and we're in the catacombs.
Yeah, we were walking almost 3 kilometers.
Yeah, I hope the catacombs are not more than 100 meters.
Yeah, but here is no video.
Okay, no, we just so we stop. Honey,
Yeah.
what do you have to say to this beautiful place with the dead bodies?
It was pretty interesting experience. And they look like not natural one that they like just like kind of decoration, but it's very sad place and I mean amazing how old are these bodies. I mean
Yes, and yes, no.
nowadays I'm not sure, but yeah, it's a cool place.